So this is a video that was requested on Facebook on one of the Revit user groups. If you have questions and want to send them my way, be sure to join the BIMDAD Revit users group on Facebook, and I'm happy to create some videos for you. So the request was for a video on how to use model in place in a way that you have movable or editable points after you've created the form. So in order to do that, I've laid out a couple of reference planes here to help myself. And then we're going to go to massing and site, in place mass. Just going to leave it as mass 1. And then in order to achieve what we're referring to here, we want to make sure we're using reference lines, not model lines. So I'm going to use reference line. I'm going to use spline through points for this. And then I'm going to pick one of my reference planes. And then, I was in the wrong view. There we go. Short end. It's right here. So I can either do this in elevation view, or I can do it in a 3D view. I'm going to go ahead and hit escape for a minute, align to the left side there, and then go back to drawing. Make sure that I have my reference plane still. All right, so I'm going to start somewhere in here. Make sure it's spline through points. Just add as many points as you think you'll need. So let's say that that's 1. And then I need another one at the far end. So I'm going to go ahead and stick to my left view here. Use reference lines, spline, and then pick the other side. So I'm just going to match it on this side, but maybe go a little higher on the other side. And then let's maybe go lower and further in on this side. I'm going to add a point in here just in case I want additional control. So I'll still place it on this side. Bear with me here. So I must have not set it on a work plane and left it as drawn face. Tall end, there we go. Drawn work plane, spline. Just in case, I'm going to go ahead and make it not overlap here. All right, so now all we need to do is select the 2 lines, create form. It'll create this mesh, which, as you can see here, if I needed to take these points and move them up, the form is adjusting with it, which was what we were hoping to achieve here. So now you can use this mass for things like creating a current system. So if I go back to massing and site, go to current system, select the surface, create system, and right now this is a 5x10. Give it a minute here, and you'll see all the panels placed on the mass. So there you go. Now, if you needed to edit the shape, say this side wants to go up a bit, I'm going to hover over and tab until I see the mass on the bottom left on the status bar. Then I go and edit, and we'll see the points again. So I can find these, drag them up, say that this side wants to go up too. Hit finish. And then I can select my current system and just simply hit update to face. And after just a little bit here, you'll see this current system now match the mass again. And there you go. So that's just a quick video on using conceptual mass and still having editable points after the fact. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Got any questions? Head over to bimdad.com and let us know. And of course, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future content. See you in the next one.